Hi, I'm Dan Gooding on behalf of the West Bridgford Wire, and this is the Spring Property Market Update 2018. So far, the biggest news of the year is that Nottingham has seen the biggest growth in house prices of any English city. The latest data from HomeTrack has revealed a positive picture of house price growth in the East Midlands. The past 12 months have seen house price inflation rise to 5.5%, up from 3% according to HomeTrack. Nottingham is in first place with 8%, and Manchester, Birmingham and Leeds also posting strong results with year-on-year growth of 7.4% and 7% respectively. Meanwhile, in London, the market has seen nominal growth of 1.6%, with HomeTrack saying that there is no sign of this falling into negative territory in the near term. The capital does take the title as the city with the longest sales period, with properties taking 17 weeks to sell. This is a result of sales not keeping pace with new supply, as there are 1.5 homes going on the market for every sale. Oxford and Cambridge are also seeing an imbalance between sales and supply. The upshot is sellers in London needing to be more realistic with their asking prices. HomeTrack says we expect house prices across London to continue to post modest falls in real terms over the next 12 to 24 months as prices realign to what buyers are prepared to pay. It is early days, but there are some tentative signs that sales volumes could start to stabilise over 2018 as a result of more realistic pricing. Alongside the rise in house prices, interestingly, we've also seen significant improvement in mortgage affordability, which has been driven by historically low rates over the past 10 years or so. It seems that loan repayments are now taking up less than a third of a homeowner's disposable income for most households. According to figures from Halifax, 29% of a typical person's take-home pay was spent on mortgage repayments in the fourth quarter of last year. This is down from 2007 peak of 48%. While it is also below the long-run average of 35%, according to Halifax. However, the headline figure masks a north-south divide, with affordability improving significantly in northern regions, but staying above the long-term national average in southern areas. At a national level, mortgage affordability has increased despite a 3% surge in house prices during the past year. The improvement has been driven by significantly lower mortgage rates, which remain well below those seen in 2007, despite the increase to the Bank of England base rate in November 2017. High levels of competition in the mortgage market have also helped to keep rates low. Closer to home, the West Bridgford market is once again seeing demand back at 2015 levels. The West Bridgford market experienced a drop in buyer numbers in 2016-17 following the referendum vote in favour of leaving the EU. This was mainly due to uncertainty felt by potential vendors, resulting in a lack of stock and a lack of confidence in the property market from buyers. I reported a strong start to the year at the end of January, and that sales were up threefold from the year before. Also, Rightmove were reporting visitor numbers were up 9% on the previous year. Rightmove has just reported that March was the busiest month ever on the website, with over 142 million visits. At Rex Gooding, so far this year, through our West Bridgford branch, we have had 56 new instructions, of which 55 have had sales agreed. Buyer numbers are back to those levels experienced in 2015, with 2 open days carried out last Saturday, one on Parkcroft Road, receiving 27 viewings and 13 offers, and another on Selby Road, 20 viewings and 6 offers. The big question at the moment from potential vendors is whether it will continue, and do we expect the September market to be as strong as what we experienced in 2015? I'll be back in the summer, and in the meantime, for advice on buying or selling in the West Bridgford area, feel free to get in touch.